Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be reviewing, I'm going to teach you how to put on these wigs. This wig is from Wiggins hair. It's okay, but I'll do the review on that later. It might be confusing, so I'm going to teach you how to prep it, style it, and put it on your head. Stay tuned. Before you put it on your head, after you bleach it, you need to tint the lace. You could do it with the water and all that other stuff, or get hair tint, whatever. But sometimes we don't got time for all of that. So your best friend is some concealer. And so this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. This matches me to the T. So how you put it on, you just squeeze it out. You can put it on a surface or on your arm, like it doesn't really matter. And you need a makeup brush. So now you flip your wig inside out. Your main concern is the front, because this is what shows in the part. You can't put it all over. So now we just dab it on. Well, we rub it on, dab it on. Try to have a light hand so it won't go through. But if it does, it's okay. You can just wipe it away with water. But you see how it's turned? It matches me now. So when you do this, so it can melt seamlessly. I'm sorry I be talking crazy in my videos. Like, I had these small direct club retainers on. That's a whole nother video. And I had the craziest lisp. Like, makes me sound crazy. So yeah. Try to get towards the front. It will get on the hair, but it's okay. We can wipe it off. It's not the end of the world. Over. But your main focus is in the front. So this can melt in your skin. Screenshot. So now you see it's looking like Scalpiana. I don't usually do it, so some people do. You could spray some hairspray underneath. That's supposed to hold it so it won't transfer, supposedly. Okay, so we good. You following along? So we bleached our knots and we tinted our lace. Now you have to adjust the straps until your head size. I have a really tiny head. This is a size small, so I put it to like the closest loop as possible. But sadly, this still doesn't fit my head. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, so mine is on the last one. I'm still cute. So yeah, this wig has combs on the inside and down here. I actually use these combs. People be cutting them out. So this is how we look. Make sure your part is straight, please. Don't let this hair fool you. It looks beautiful sometimes, but I have some days. So like when you really probably can't see, but it's like lumpy now right here. So I take this comb right here and I dig it in and I'm destroy your edges. Me, I be playing with fire. I be shaving off my edges and all that stuff. But my hairline is so low. Look at this. But if you're scared, you don't have to use these combs. It just secure fit. Wow. Actually, I don't even feel like I need the elastic band anymore. This is my e-peep for iron. From my first video, that gave me heat damage, but you know, it is what it is. You looking like scalp? So now I'm gonna teach you how to secure your wigs. Hey, it's 2 seconds. This is all you need. All you need voila. Like seriously, you can't leave it right there. I like to put a little bit more. It's a little messy process, and when it's dry, this will become shiny. So it's best to wipe it off. Whew. But the closure. And press it in. Some people use a blow dryer. I don't have time for that in the morning, so I just let it air dry and it dries. So it is 2:24 now. I'm gonna show you. And it really dries so fast. Like, I spray this and then I just walk out the house and buy this. I'm gonna show you how secure it is once it dries. And it's just like that. Just like that. So now it is 2:31. I'm gonna say 2:24. It's not going anywhere, sis. Like, good for the day. It actually lasts about 2 days. Like, I went to sleep with it before and it stayed on all night. But okay, you just remove it with water. So if you don't put water on it, even for a day or two, it could probably last longer. If anything, just re-spritz it back and you're good. I don't like sleeping in my wigs. Like, I don't have time for that. You just place water on your edges. You could take a rag, a cloth, and like damp it, or you can just put water in your hands and it comes up. Sometimes I don't use it. I just rip it right off. But you know, everybody's different. But yeah, that's all you need is to secure your wig. Like, you guys are so confused. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to put it on. And it's a hat. It's just like you put it on like a hat, and you put this on to secure your hat. And you good for the winter, the summer, fall. If you're interested in purchasing a wig, email me at prettymrshair@gmail.com or DM me at prettymrshair on Instagram. Wait, I forgot one more thing. If you like my eyelashes, I will be selling eyelashes soon. This is in the style Alexi. And I will be opening my website real soon. But if you're interested, email me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.